Hey everybody, Mitch Jackson. Thursday morning, how are you doing? Streaming.lawyer. And I've got I think a pretty important message I just want to share with everybody, try to raise awareness about your digital assets. So check out this quick scope and then I'll steer you over to my article. Let me turn the screen around. There we go. Hey guys, how you doing? Early court this morning, couple of hearings. Appreciate the hearts, really do. But here's the deal, guys. 30 years of practicing law, there are some things that are happening online. Hello, it's good to see you. I think it's Lynn. Good to see you. That have been happening online that I think a lot of people aren't paying attention to, especially for people doing business online, entrepreneurs, online businesses, things like this. And that has to do with your digital assets. Hey, Andy, it's good to see you. If you guys could swipe left and right and up and down and share this, I'd really appreciate it. But, you know, what's going to happen? I'm doing great. Life is good. It's Thursday, busy day down at the courthouse. I share some pictures on Snapchat of the Orange County Superior Court. They don't let us take pictures inside the courthouse, but there's a couple of pictures there. If you guys want to check them out, go to CA_lawyer and check out what the Orange County Superior Court looks like. Listen, what's going to happen, everyone, to your domains, your websites, your blogs, your social media platforms, your Google Docs account, your Stripe account, your merchant accounts, your Amazon accounts when you die, if you become temporarily or permanently disabled? What's going to happen with all those accounts? Have you given that any thought? I wrote an article that I just shared at streaming.lawyer giving you some tips on how to manage those items, those assets in your estate plan and in your business succession plan. A lot of people don't think about this. McAfee came out with a study that said the average online user has something around $35,000, $36,000, $37,000 in valuable assets in their online platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all the other platforms that I've talked about, their blog, their website, that are not protected should something happen to you. And so what I did is I put together a little article that, hey Sabrina, it's good to see you. I put together a little article that hopefully will show you how to add your online assets into your existing estate plan and your existing business succession plan. If you don't have an estate plan, if you don't have a will or a trust, contact a lawyer in your city and state and get that set up. If you're doing business and you don't have a business succession plan, get that done immediately and then pay attention to your business assets. So what's interesting is there are current laws right now, and if you look at the terms of service agreements of the social media platforms, of your website provider, of Google, Google Docs, Google email, things like that, if you look at the terms of service and privacy agreements, should something happen to you, it may be possible for your legal heirs or for your business partners to eventually get access to the account, but only to shut down those accounts. They're not going to be able to take over the accounts. They're not going to be able to continue running your Facebook business account unless you've taken certain steps. And so in my article at streaming.lawyer, I've shared what you need to do to keep these accounts moving forward to both help your legal heirs in personal matters and to help your business partners when it comes to business succession issues. And Facebook and Google have already come up with a couple of initial steps to help people when somebody's become temporarily or permanently disabled, or if somebody's passed away. Facebook has what's called the legacy contract option. You can Google that for more information. In fact, I've linked to it in my article at streaming.lawyer. And Google offers the inactive account manager. Both of those will oftentimes allow your heirs to get access to shut down accounts, but not manage and control these accounts for future business reasons, and that's the big difference. So what I encourage everyone to do is incorporate your online digital assets into your estate plan and into your business succession plan. If you don't have one, get one set up. Here's a couple of lawyer tips, and although I am a lawyer, I'm not your lawyer, no legal advice is being given, but here's what you need to do. Make a list of all of your digital assets, every social media account, every merchant account, everything that you do online. And in that list include your username, your password, and a short description as to why you're using that particular account, so that if somebody comes along, your legal heir, your wife, your spouse, your business partner, and they need to access this information, they're going to be able to access it, and they're going to know why you've set it up in the first place. It's one thing for them to set up to access your Stripe merchant account. It's another thing to know what in the world is it linked to, which bank accounts, etc., etc. So make a list with as much detail as possible. Keep that list private. Give it to your lawyer. It's protected by attorney-client privilege. Put it in your safety deposit box. Keep it locked away someplace safe. In your estate planning documents, your lawyer will be referencing that list. Your lawyer will be saying, and there is a list of digital assets. It's available at the XYZ safety deposit box, or it's available through your lawyer's law firm, whatever it might be. You don't want to list your username and passwords in these documents because sometimes they will become public documents. So you don't want everybody knowing this information, but you need to have somebody. Be able to have access to this information, and that way, if you become temporarily or permanently disabled, if God forbid you pass away, your family, your friends, your heirs, your business partners will be able to step in and continue, for example, running your business Facebook page. The business will be able to remain viable. It will be able to keep operating using that Facebook page. Otherwise, if you haven't taken these steps, you may be, your heirs and your business partners may find themselves up a creek without a paddle. So go to streaming.lawyer, check out the detailed summary of what I'm talking about. I think you'll find this information useful. Please share it with your family and friends, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here for you. You're on my website right now. I appreciate it, Sabrina. If you need a lawyer in your city and state to help you with your estate plan and business succession plan, then use the links I've shared to help find a really good lawyer in your city and state. Or DM me and I can get you going in the right direction. I've shared 3 good ways to find a good lawyer in your city and your state. And so hopefully all of the above will help you. By planning ahead today, you'll be avoiding problems down the road. So I encourage you to take advantage of this information. And once again, please keep in mind and remember that your digital platforms, your social media platforms, your online document accounts, your online calendaring and email accounts, all of these things have value. Your pictures, your videos, and everything else, your Periscope account, your Facebook Live account, all of these things have value, and you've got to take steps today to allow your legal heirs, or in the business setting, your business partners in a business succession type of plan, to have access to these accounts so that the business can keep running. Oftentimes, planning ahead will allow everyone to continue to prosper down the line. By not taking these steps, am I a real lawyer? I'm going to let you answer that question. What do you think? 30 years in Southern California practicing law. My firm is Jackson & Wilson. But guys, check out the article at streaming.lawyer. Share it if you like it. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. How would I know? I don't know. Those are 2 really good back-to-back questions. And reach out to me, and if I can help you out, I will. Guys, that's it. Take care and make the rest of Thursday your masterpiece. Bye-bye.